software is Apache OpenOffice. Apache OpenOffice includes Writer, word processing, calculation, spreadsheets, Impress, presentations, draw graphics, mathematics equations, and the base database. It can open, edit, and export to Microsoft file format, and it features a very intuitive interface. So, creating in the if you are student, if you are developer, and you are what, so we all have work with documents. So, for creating presentation, first style sheet, spreadsheet, even mathematics equation, database, we all have to work with them. So, and we have a we and Apache OpenOffice help us to do this with free of cost. Means it don't take any charge for using this. So you can use this free. It have another feature that you can edit and export to Microsoft file format. So you don't worry about your Microsoft files. You can export to here. You can export here. You can also edit and open Microsoft format file, and it has great UI interface. So next is Blender. Okay. 3D animation software can be prohibitively expensive for amateurs and home users, but Blender is completely free and has been used to create full-length animated films. It broadcasts photorealistic rendering, fast modeling, realistic material, fast rigging, sculpting, and animation toolset, full compositor, and more. So yeah, so creating 3D animation software means you have to creating animated films like it. There are so many other software who can take so many charges from us for using this, but Blender gives us free to use. You can use all the features that create for making 3D animation software and any other animated films. You don't need to give any charge, just like to other software application. Just use Blender and freely. So you can visit their website. The website is the Blender. PDF Creator creates a PDF file from any application that can print. It also includes the digital signature and encryption capabilities, but it lacks of some crop from creating capability. Okay, no problem. So the PDF Creator, yeah. So now in this online era, from 2 years, we all scan our as a college student. I use so many, I create so many PDFs in 2 years, and I also you all create so many PDFs. Even in office, you need to create PDFs, but so many PDF application who need, but we have to sign digitally. We need to, there are some document we need to create safe, we need to encrypt that. So all we need. So and another PDF application who takes charge for using means they don't give much features in free. They charge for using all features, but the PDF Creator give you the all feature in free to use. But yeah, it have some lack of feature, but it all have much feature than the which other application takes charge to use. So you can use this. You have to need to use this because it's very useful for us. So you can use this. You can go to their official website like www.pdforg.org. So next is Handbrake. Yeah, Handbrake. Handbrake is the perfect tool for converting video from nearly any format to a selection or modern widely supported codes. One of the remarkable features of this tool is the conversion of video files to minimize file size without losing the picture quality. Yeah, so Handbrake is the tool that helps us to converting video to any format, and selection of modern widely supported code means you can convert the MP4 to another format, and it have great features like you can compromise the size of video without lose their quality. It is very useful if you make any application like Android application or website. You need to add video or something, so you need to compromise, because if you add large size of video on your application, it will affect your performance. So, and you also don't want to lose your quality of your video. So it is perfect app for using to minimize or compromise our video without losing any quality. You can check out their website, handbrake.fr. So Nextnote is a free open source program designed to help you take notes and stay organized. It also let us save photos, sound, file, and document. It's one of the best open source alternative for Evernote. Yeah. So taking notes means if you need everyone as a good developer, as a good person, we need to organize our tasks. So we can complete the tasks timely. So for that we need to create a to-do list for that, which tasks we have to complete today. So just like that. So but there are so many applications that take charge. Like if you need to give them, you have to pay the charge for using features of so many features of app. But the Nextnote gives you all feature in free. It helps us to take your notes and to-do list. It also give you a feature like save photo. You can save your photos, sound, files, and documents easily. And it is the best open source alternative of Evernote. So it is very useful for us. Means as a student, as a developer, if I think creating notes or to-do list is very necessary for every phase of life. In which phase it's just not important, but you need to create your notes in every phase of your life. So please check out this. Means Nextnote, their website is www.nextnote.org. So another web application is Octave. It is the best open source educational tool used for numerical computation with an interactive environment. Tools feature powerful mathematics-oriented syntax with built-in plotting and visualization tools, and also Octave syntax is largely compatible with MATLAB. Yeah, so I hope you all listen about MATLAB. Yeah, anyone? I think you all listen or hear about MATLAB. The MATLAB is a software application. So if you hear, please write in chat. I will see it. Okay. So the MATLAB is just like MATLAB. It is open, but MATLAB you need to buy a license for using it. For using the features of MATLAB, you need to buy a license. But the Octave, the open source alternative software application, which gives you free to use. The what feature MATLAB gives, that same feature Octave gives us to use in free. Means it did not take any charge to use. So it have us all. Means they have a mathematics oriented syntax, just like MATLAB. You can visualization tool, all the features that MATLAB provide, they also provide. So you can check out if you working with MATLAB. Yeah, if you are beginner in college, you all have to learn about. We all get to know what MATLAB. We all have to use one time MATLAB. It's a very useful things. I think instead of using MATLAB, we can use this. You can go to their website. There is a website of GNU. We get no Unix, so you get GNU software, then Octave. You need to visit GNU first, then the software section, then get Octave section. So the Bluehost guarantees that you can effortless web development environment for developer. Main feature includes a multi-document interface access editing and template. So means okay, so if you want to start your startup, or means you have to start your own startup, you need, so for starting startup you need the website to give it up, to create a, to give a introduction of your startup to audience. But creating website or hiring developer, it is much expensive. Means creating website is so much expensive, and so many website takes take lots of charge. But the Bluehost does not take any charge for creating website with multiple things that they give a WordPress theme to use. But okay, they also give so many themes to use. You can customize according to your need, and you can host the blue. You can host to your website. So it is also open source. So next is BleachBit. BleachBit guards your privacy and free disk space. It cleans and the cache clears the internet history, deletes cookies and logs, share temporary files, and get rid of junk that you don't know is there. So it is very useful app. Means BleachBit help us to clear all your all your junk, cache, clears all internet history, delete cookies and logs. That is a major issue, major thing that our device have give a low performance. Means if you have you have full of disks and don't clear your cache, clean your disk memory, you get, if device get affected by performance. Means you have get no performance in your device. So it is very useful app. It can clean your get if there are so many files that we don't know where it is. So BleachBit also clear all those files. So we all don't know about that file. So another is GIMP. You can also visit their official website, bit.org. Now next is GIMP. GIMP makes it easy to edit photos and other images, just like you would with Photoshop, suitable for professionals. It includes features like layers, gradients, photo enhancements, color manipulation, digital retouching, and much more. So yeah, GIMP is a alternative of Adobe Photoshop. So if you are a graphic designer, or if you are a graphic designer, you love to make creating posters or any other editing photographs. So we obviously need tools to do this. So there is a tool that name is Photoshop, which takes a charge. When you need to buy a license for using Adobe Photoshop, but for using their most of features. But the GIMP gives all features in free. So it is our best alternative open source software of Adobe Photoshop. It gives you all features like layers, gradients, photo enhancements, color manipulation, digital retouching, and much more. So it is suitable for professional or non-beginners. So you don't need to worry about that. You are a beginner, so don't need to even you just what to do in Photoshop, you can do it in GIMP. There is an official website of GIMP, www.gimp.org. Free antivirus used by more than 60,000 users worldwide on a daily basis. It comes with an easy installer and open source code. You may download and use it absolutely free of charge. It features high detection rate for viruses and spyware, scanning scheduler, automatic downloads of regularly updated virus database. So yeah, firstly, if you buy a new laptop or laptop, firstly install antivirus. Buy antivirus for your laptop. Means for secure your laptop device, but takes charge. We have to pay for the antivirus. Just like MC Cafe, you have to pay for that. Quick Heal, we have to pay. But the Clambin gives all the same feature. even the more gives all the same feature without taking any charge. You can use free of cost. Even there is a 60,000 users that use Clam. It means it's okay, it's 60,000 worldwide. More than 60,000 users Clam. So it is also a trustworthy application. So we can use. You may download and obviously free of charge. You can download from their official website, theclamwin.com. Okay, so next is 7Jeep. Okay, while WinZip offers a fancier interface and more menu option, 7Jeep lets you create 7 files with a higher compression rate, which means it creates smaller files. 7Jeep also reads and writes WinZip files, as well as a number of other popular compression formats. So we can see a zip file. So we have used WinZip. We have to extract our files from zip, but it also takes a charge. You also takes a charge for using some of their features. But 7Zip give you all the features all those features which other operating software takes charge. It gives us free, and even they have 7 file features. Means you can create smaller files. You can also create small to small files. But because zip file also we create zip file for the large size file. But you can also create a smaller file in 7Zip. You can also write or create WinZip files. So if you have already used WinZip, you can write or read in 7Zip. So you can go to their official website to download www.7.zip. Signal is a communication app that supports messaging, voice and video calls and more. It's fully cross-platform, free, open source and features end-to-end encryption. That this makes it most popular choice for users looking for enhanced privacy and security. So we basically when we use chat applications, so we think in mind that if we just using any chat application is good or not. Means if you using WhatsApp, that so many other things, so many give statement that WhatsApp is not safe to use. Your message is not safe, not secure. But the Signal is open source, and if you find interesting, it's open source, but it's the most secure chat application. It gives all the features just like in WhatsApp. You can messaging, voice and video call and more. It's a fully cross-platform. Means you can use in there any device like iOS and Android. It is a free open source, and it end-to-end encryption. So it make our message and data secure. So and that feature makes it so secure, and their privacy and security is very powerful. So this is open source, so many developers can contribute to that, so to make their performance best. Next is Brave browser. So Brave browser is a free and open source Brave browser that gives users a safer and faster and better browsing experience, while growing support for content creators through a new attention-based ecosystem or rewards. So why we give any browser to eat our RAM? Why? So if we give any browser to eat our RAM, then we have a loss. When we go in loss, because if the performance of the device when used it get low. So why not use such like Brave browsers, which is very lightweight to use and even more faster and safer to use. So other than any other web application, we can use Brave browser just to save our time, because it's faster to use, even safer. Your search do not get use all search and your all data is secure and give the better browsing experience. And it is open source, so many developers also contribute to make their performance better to better. So you can install the Brave browser from their official website, brave.com. The Fishifone is an open source VPN project for Windows and Android. For me, it's excellent, and surely I will prefer over other, because means it is a VPN software, means it is a very good VPN application. Means it is better than any other paid application. VPN it is very useful for us because it circumvents tools from Fishifone and that utilize VPN, SSH, and HTTP proxy technology to provide you with unsecured access to internet content. It is very useful. I use very much VPN, so this is better than any other paid VPN application. You can check out this VPN software. You can download from the psiphone3.com. Yeah, Ronik, I also streaming on Brave. Yeah, really awesome experience to using Brave. Yeah. So another application is KeePass. KeePass is a free open source password manager which helps us to manage your passwords securely. You can put all your passwords in one database which is locked with one master key or key file. So you only have to remember one single master password. Databases are encrypted using the best and most secure encryption algorithm currently known as two-phase. Yeah, so remembering password is very difficult. For me, it is very difficult because if I set a password today, I forget tomorrow. So if I need to forget the password, then I need generate new passwords. So remembering password is very difficult for different sites. So why not we keep all the password in one place? So KeePass help us to do this. And you can secure all the sites, your all password in one place with a single key. But you need to just remember one key for generating, save the all data password. So KeePass give you a very good features for saving your passwords. You can use. And this is locked in one master key. Means you need to save all passwords and they all locked with one master key. Just you have to remember one password to open the key. And it's used the best encryption algorithm currently known as AES and two-phase. So today's session is over. Means over now. So let's take the question. Thank you for joining all.